Sand. We live in a desert area, definitely windy, breezy, and dirt does settle, sand does settle. Go ahead and turn this guy on. I just cleaned the filter. I'll go ahead and drop it on in there. It's got a nice long reach, and it is doing its job. It really impressed me. It's picking up all the dirt. My only review comment would be for other customers, you should, and I do recommend changing that little filter. It's not a huge canister. It works really well. This is one of the best little filters we have for our for the machine. It really does pick up these small little pieces of sand. As you can see, it's already cleaning the areas that I went over, and just really picking it up well. If I take this out of the water, you can kind of see all that dirt that's already been picked up in the filter. And that is why I do recommend that I've been doing about a quarter of each side. I kind of divided my pool into quarters, and I do about a quarter of the pool, and then I stop and rinse out the filter. And just to really quickly kind of show you what that looks like, if I were to take this out, just to show you how the filter part works, pretty simple. You just untwist. Here at this, you untwist it, and then this canister opens up, and you're able to rinse out the filters and the insides nice and clean, and just start again. So anyways, yes, 5 out of 5 for me. We have a small, as you can see, Intex above ground 12-foot pool, goes about 2.5 to 3 feet deep, and this guy right here is absolutely perfect for our needs. It also comes with all the different attachment heads, 4 attachment heads, an extra filter bag, and again, this extension pole, which when I was in the pool supply store, just an extension pole by itself is like 40 or 50 bucks. So for $89, I think it's a great product for its value. Would highly recommend. I'm gonna go ahead and give it 5 stars. As you can see, night and day difference between the side that was cleaned versus the side that wasn't, and already you can see pretty good sections picked up most of this area already. All right, guys, thank you.
Oh, this thing looks so good. As y'all can see, I have trees in my backyard, so this is like an everyday thing for me. So, you see all those leaves? That's how it looked over here. This is awesome. This is like the best thing I could ever done. No money wasted whatsoever. I love it already. It's my first time using it. I did let it charge all the way before I used it. Like, do y'all see that? I'm doing this with my left hand, y'all. I am right-handed, so that's why I'm kind of going through the motion here. But like, the compartment is full now, so it's probably not getting everything, or everything is dropping back out, because my pool was full with leaves. So this would be my second time emptying the cartridge.
Making a couple extra swipes back and forth, but it did pick it up. I'm gonna make a couple turns down in here to get all this stuff up there. So maybe going a little slower than what I'm doing probably is a better deal there. It's just a little hard to hold the phone and do this all at one time there. But I will finish the rest up there and get that in there. And you can see the little cotton thing right there. It's on there. And to turn it off, you're just going to hit that button right there. And that's it.
Okay, let's see if it works any better now, but really, this is silly. I chased around that leaf there, and this is a very inconvenient place for an on-off switch, because you have to get soaking wet in order to actually turn the darn thing on. It's not very helpful. So, let's see if I have to keep chasing around a simple leaf this time. Yep. Nothing. Hardly any suction. Nah. A waste of time and money. Silly. I really would have liked for this to work. Our maintenance guy told us it was that this type of thing is very useful. He just didn't tell us which brand to get.
Today I'm going to be reviewing the 4-in-1 rechargeable spa hot tub vacuum cleaner. It comes with 2 fine mesh filter bags, extension poles, and 4 different heads for cleaning. I am now going to demonstrate how this cleans my hot tub. As you can see, it collects all of that calcium that is down in the hot tub. This product has been a game changer for me in cleaning my hot tub.
This vacuum is super handy for cleaning small hot tubs. It has on a full charge, it runs for about 4 hours cleaning your tub. It also comes with attachments for corners and scrubbing every part of the hot tub. I recommend it. It includes 3 replacement filters for when they wear out. It's very comfy and easy to use. I highly recommend it, and it's great